how to verify Twitter and anime adventure in your Roblox. So let's go and head on to our Roblox. As you can see here, we have anime adventures. And what we need to do to verify your Twitter is very simple. So you would see this instruction right here, and you will see you are directed to follow Strayans and dev scripts in Twitter for you to redeem the gems and to be verified. So let's go to our browser here and log into our Twitter, and then you would see here that it is Strayans, and then you should do is to follow him, and then go to the other Twitter account, which is DevScripts. What you need to do again is to follow him, and then go to your profile and check the following. So make sure that you are following both of them. So once you have made sure of that, go back to Anime Adventures, and what you need to do is go to that instruction right there and type in your Twitter username and then go and redeem. So sometimes it may take a while for it to be redeemed, so just try again. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and as well consider clicking that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads.